Hello, welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on operational decision making. In past few videos, we have been looking on to the video lecture series on various managerial topics. We have been looking on to human resource video lecture series. We have been looking on to creative decision making series. So extension of all this, today in this video lecture series we will be fully discussing on about what is operational decision making process. So further, without any more delay, let's get into the video. Welcoming you all back to Pavithra YouTube channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about operational decision making process. In every organization, first and foremost discussing about what is decision making. In every organization, a decision plays a key role. A day-to-day decisions that we take in an organization creates the greatest impact in organization's primary objectives or mission or vision statements. So in this case, the decisions that we take in our organization is highly prioritized for its success of the objective of the organization. In this case, discussing about the operational decision making, it's highly discusses about the decisions that are taken to move on the day-to-day operations of the organization. So these day-to-day the decisions that we are taking to resolve the problems that exists in the day-to-day activities of the organization. So those kind of decisions that we take is called as an operational decision. So the decisions may be either managerial decision, financial decisions, and various decisions. So this operational decision making process fully deals with the decisions that we take to control and move on the day-to-day operations. So the day-to-day, in this case, day-to-day operations, what would be the day-to-day operations or day-to-day activities that take place in an organization? So the day-to-day activities may include supply to the customers, receiving orders from the customers, and placing an order to the suppliers, production process, and day-to-day other activities, fixing of human resources, placing human resources in various places, assigning human resources, allotting a work to each resources. So these would be the day-to-day activities of every organization, isn't it? So the decisions that we take to coordinate and organize these kind of a day-to-day activity comes under operational decision making process. It is also known as a heart of organization, whether it is business, a government institution, or a non-profit institution. Operational decision is termed as an heart of any of the organization. Either, as we said, either it would be a business or non-government institution, or a government institution, or a non-profit institution, or an institution that works for a profit. The operational decisions works as a heart of the organization because it deals with the day-to-day activities of the organization, and they are also essential to ensure the proper functioning of daily and day-to-day activities of the organization. But what exactly is an operational decision making? What does it actually involves? What are those processes? What is operations? Why this decision making is important? How will we take handling these kinds of decisions? How will we implementing those decisions? And everything we will be looking on to this lecture series, and we will be also looking on to what is goods, what is services, what is product, difference between goods and services, difference between goods and products. We will also be discussing about customer benefit packages. What is customer benefit packages? What are the advantages of placing a customer benefit package in an organization? What are the disadvantages that carries on? Everything in this lecture video series. And without any more delay, let's discuss about what is operations and what is operational decision making clearly in the next video. See you all in the next video. That clearly explains about operations and operational decisions making. Further, in the upcoming videos, we will also be looking on to various other topics. Thank you all.